Call it inspiration or in spirit. Moving how your spirit wants you to move and not thinking or overanalyzing any steps and choices.
Your purpose.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Candy?
You already know if I'm going to take it.
Wouldn't be much of an oracle if I didn't.
But if you already know, how can I make a choice?
Because you didn't come here to make the choice. You've already made it. You're here to try to understand why you made it.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. How to live in your purpose. Back to the future. When contemplating about who you want to be and what you're going to do in life, stop, look around, and observe. You are doing life. It's important to be in the present, living in your now, and being one with oneself. Understanding your vibrations at the present moment. Understanding your why and being fully engulfed in your now. Go see my YXY video on Patreon. The science and art behind being grateful or appreciative of what you have is to slow down and enjoy the now. It's to slow down and enjoy the now.
It's to slow down and enjoy the now. Message.
Vibrating high in your now. Feeling good is a work. When you're in the feeling and vibration of your truth, then the downloads and channels come for you to move a certain way. To be whatever your heart's desire strives to be. They call it inspiration or in spirit. Moving how your spirit wants you to move and not thinking or overanalyzing any steps and choices.
Your purpose.
You're living that right now. And in living that, you have to know that you made the choice when coming down here to be and live out a certain way. When you say you're conscious, you're not wearing your blackness as an all day, I was first here, so I'm better than you suit. Or, my brand, my job, business is who I am.
You suck!
This is about understanding self and striving every day to understand your why. You choosing to come back to Earth to have these experiences is the adventure. The oracle. You already made the choice. You're just coming down here to figure out why you made it. You have to literally shift your mindset from human thinking, human struggle, to this is an adventure for me.
This is an adventure for me. This is an adventure for me. Hey, what happened?
When you're in this now state or present state, you're able to feel your true power and glory as the chaos being you say you are. That's why it's so important to meditate and move from these ego-driven thoughts
to I am that I am.
Consistent meditation. Be the feeling you say you are. Be the vibration you claim to be. You claiming your physical struggle or your human demiurge thinking is holding you back. Don't claim that shit. Laugh at that bitch. And know that this illusion, this matrix,
is trying to come for you every step of the way.
They call it seconds for a reason. Because your first is in alignment of non-attachment from the seconds in the world. In the world, but not of the world. Time doesn't exist, and this matrix will have you thinking you have something to prove before your clock ends. When you know, you just know. And saying you're an infinite, multidimensional chaos being, God, is not enough. You must feel that, embody that, strive for that pure essence of the all. Now, in this pure essence of knowing, you understand that you did make a choice to come back here and experience this human journey. We've mapped our journey out and planned this thing to a T for us to go through this human. We have free will, true indeed, but it's all in accordance and in conjunction with your purpose. The purpose you picked from the greatest greatness. You think that job you have as an airplane stewardess is a coincidence to you feeling you're supposed to travel the world? You actually believe your traumas as a kid that led you to be a school counselor doesn't have anything to do with you feeling this energy to help people grow? What? So you saying your kids was an accident, right? Your kids birthed you, and they came down here to have their own experiences that y'all set up together for this journey. Why do you think you call your son Pops and your daughter Mama or Mommy? The timeline is backwards, and we're walking out our path we set out. Bird's eye view, remember? Time is not real. Time is an agreed upon metric that allows us to see past, present, and future. Your purpose is mapped out and set in stone on how your journey is going to play out. The key is live in the present, live in the now, and remember, you're going back
to the future. Dream wise.